Dear children, this is the continuation portion of cybercrime. In this module, we are going to discuss about cyber law. Cyber law is a part of overall legal systems that deals with the internet, cyberspace and their respective legal issues. Cyber law covers a fairly broad area encompassing several subtopics including freedom of expressions, access to and usage of internet and online privacy. Generically, cyber law is referred as to the law of internet. Cyber law, the another name of cyber law is law of internet. The first cyber law was Cyber Fraud and Abuse Act, enacted in 1986, known as Computer Fraud CFAA Abuse Act. This law prohibits unauthorized access. That means no other person can use our own data. Unauthorized access to computers and include details about levels of punishments for breaking the law. Why we need a cyber law? What is its necessary? Like any law, cyber law is created to help people, that is to protect people and the organization on the internet from malicious people on the internet and help maintain order. If someone breaks cyber law or rule, it allows another person or organization to take action against the person or to have them sentenced to a punishment. So that to secure our data, we can go for the law and penalties. Cyber law covers fairly broad area that we already discussed. Cyber law is also known as IT law, that is Information Technology Law. It is a law regarding computers and internet. What is the importance of cyber law? It covers all the transactions over internet. Here the transaction word means nothing but the sending and receiving of informations. It keeps eye on all activities over internet. Cyber law or cyber cell keeps an eye on all over works which we do in internet. That means if you are browsing, if you are sending, if you are posting any videos, all these things are stored temporarily in cookies. It touches every action and every reaction in cyberspace. Cyberspace is nothing but internet. What are the areas of cyber law? Fraud, copyright, defamation, harassment and stalking, freedom of speech, trade secrets, contracts and employment law. All these things we will discuss in other module only, that is in the cyber crime only. So cyber law is used for protecting our data. Is it clear to you? Then the areas which the cyber law can be applied are the fraud which using computers, copyright issues, defamation, that is harassment or pointing a particular person, harassment or stalking, that is bullying. Okay, then freedom of speech, trade secrets like logo, trademark, etc. and contracts and employment laws, that is the denying of refusal of encryption and decryptions, etc. What happens if you break a cyber law? There are different forms of punishment depending upon the cyber law you broke, that we already discussed. In many situations, the law and punishment depends upon the situation or the area which you reside. Is it clear? In which country you are residing? According to that country law only, you have to be punished. Is it clear? I think you are all clear about what is a law of cyberspace. It is a law which protects the cyber details. Thank you.